Hello everyone. Today we will learn about minerals and power resources. Okay, chapter 3rd, class 8 geography. Kiri was visiting Sukant in his native place near Dhanbad. Kiri was amazed to see that large areas were black. Sukant, why is this place too black, so black and dusty? She asked. This is because of coal mine nearby. Do you see the trucks? They are carrying the minerals coal, replied Sukant. What are minerals? Asked Kiri. Sukant replied, have you ever seen a baker making biscuit? The flour, milk, sugar, and sometimes eggs are mixed together. While eating the baked biscuit, can you see these ingredients separately? Just as in the biscuit, there are a number of things that you cannot see. Rocks on this earth have several minerals called minerals mixed in them. These minerals are scattered throughout the earth's rocky crust. A naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is a mineral. Minerals are not evenly distributed over space. They are concentrated in a particular area of rock formation. Some minerals are found in areas which are not easily accessible, such as the Arctic Ocean bed and Antarctica. Minerals are found in different types of geological environments under varying conditions. They are created by natural process without any human influence. They can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness, and chemical properties such as solubility. Do you know the salt in your food and graphite in your pencil are also minerals? Types of minerals. There are over 3000 different minerals. On the basis of composition, minerals are classified mainly at metallic, non-metallic minerals. Okay? Minerals. Metallic, non-metallic. Ferrous, non-ferrous. Classification of minerals. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristics luster or shine. Iron ore, bauxite, manganese ore are some examples. Metallic minerals may be ferrous or non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals like iron ore, manganese, and chromites contain iron. A non-ferrous mineral does not contain iron but may contain some other metals such as gold, silver, copper, or lead. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Limestone, mica, and gypsum are examples of such minerals. The mineral fuels like coal and petroleum are also non-metallic minerals. Minerals can be ex- extracted by mining, drilling, or qui- quarrying. Figure 3.3. Extra- Extraction of minerals. Mining, drilling, quarrying. Open cast mining, shaft mining. Extractions of minerals. The process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called mining. Minerals that lies at shadow depth are taken out by removing the surface layer. This is known as open cast mining. Deep bores called shaft have to be made to reach minerals deposits that lie at great depth. This is called shaft mining. Petroleum and natural gas occurs far below the earth's surface. Deep wells are bored to take them out. This is called drilling. Figure 3.4. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying. Offshore drilling of oil. Do you know a rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals but without definite composition of constituent of minerals? Rocks from which minerals are mined are known as ores. Although more than 2,800 types of minerals have been identified, only about 100 are considered ore minerals. Do you know you can always tell if a rock contains copper because then the rock looks blue in color. Distribution of minerals. Minerals occur in different types of rocks. Some are found in igneous rocks, some in metamorphic rocks, while others occur in sedimentary rocks. Generally, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rock formation that form large plateaus. Iron ore in North Sweden, copper and nickel deposit in Ontario, Canada. Iron, nickel, chromites and platinum in South Africa are examples of minerals found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rock formation of plains and young old mountains contain non-metallic minerals like limestone. Limestone deposit of Coscus, uh, a region of France, manganese, deposit of Georgia and Ukraine, and phosphate beds of Algeria are some examples. Mineral fuels such as coal and petroleum are also found in the sedimentary strata. Asia, China and India have large iron and deposit. The continent produces more than half of the world's tin. World distribution of iron, copper, and bauxite. First symbol is iron, second symbol is copper, third symbol is bauxite. Okay, in India you can see iron, copper, bauxite in south region. Okay, China, Malaysia, and Indonesia are among the world's leading tin producers. China also leads in production of lead, antimony, and tungsten. Asia also has deposit of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc, and copper. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. The countries with large deposit of iron ore are Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France. Minerals deposit of copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. Do you know Switzerland has mineral, no known mineral deposit in it? Let's do. Identify the Canadian Shield, the Appalachians, Western Cordilleras, and Lake Superior with the help of an atlas. uh, Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. The countries with large deposit of iron ore: Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France. Minerals deposit of copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and Europe and Russia. North America. The minerals deposited in North America are located in three zones: the Canadian region north of the Great Lakes, and the Al- A- Appalachian region and the mountain ranges of the west. Iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper are mined in the Canadian Shield region. Coal in the Appalachian region. Western Cordilleras have vast deposit of copper, lead, zinc, gold, and silver. You can see the in picture. The first one is coal and symbol, and the second symbol is mineral oil. Okay, in India you can find mineral oil and coal both. Okay, in Gujarat, in southeast, and in Chhattisgarh, Odisha. World's distribution of mineral oil and coal. South America. Brazil is the largest producer of high grade iron ore in the world. Chile and Peru are leading producer of copper. Brazil and Bolivia are among the world's largest producer of tin. South America also has large deposit of gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum, stones and diamond minerals. Oil is found in Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru, and Colombia. Africa is rich in minerals resources. It is the world's largest producer of diamonds, gold, and platinum. South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Zaire produce a large portion of the world's gold. The other minerals found in Africa are copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt, and bauxite. Oil, oil is found in Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. Do you know a green diamond is the rarest diamond? The oldest rocks in the world are in Western Australia. They date from 4,300 million years ago, only 300 million years after the earth was formed. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is the leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin, and nickel. It is also rich in copper, lead, zinc, and manganese. Colguri, Gorley, and Coalgardie areas of Western Australia have the largest deposit of gold. Antarctica. The geology of Antarctica is sufficiently well known to predict the existence of a variety of minerals deposit. Some probably large, significant size of deposit of coal in the uh, trans Transantarctic Mountains and iron near the Prince Charles Mountain of East Antarctica in the forecasted iron ore, gold, silver, and oil are also present in commercial quantities. Let's list use of any five minerals. Use of minerals. Minerals are used in many industries. Minerals which are used for gems are usually hard. These are then set in various style of jewelry. Copper is another metal used in everything from coins to pipes. uh, Silicon used in the computer industry is obtained from quartz. Aluminium obtained from its ore bauxite is used in automobiles and airplanes, bolting industry, buildings, and even in kitchen cookware. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are a non-renewable resource. It takes thousands of years for the formation and concentration of minerals. The rate of formation is much smaller than the rate at which the human consume these minerals. It is necessary to reduce wastage in the process of mining. Recycling of metals is another way in which the minerals resources can be conserved. Recycle, think and act. Recycle, reuse, reduce minerals. Power resources. Sunny's mother begins her day by switching on the geyser. She irons Sunny's school uniform before waking him up. She then rushes to the kitchen to prepare a glass of orange juice for him in the blender. Sunny, have you finished taking a bath? Come and have your breakfast. Call out mother while preparing breakfast on the gas stove for Sunny. While going, sorry, while going, uh, where it is gone. When mother switches all the things. While preparing breakfast on the gas stove for Sunny. While going to school, Sunny forgets to switch off lights and fans. When mother switch them off, she thinks that life is cities may be more comfortable, but its dependency on more and more gadgets on which consume energy has led to a wide gap between the demand and the supply. With the advent of science and technology, the lifestyle are changing very fast. National power grid of supply electricity. Power of energy plays a vital role in our lives. We also need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. Power resource may be broadly categorized and conventional or non-conventional resource. Conventional resource. Conventional sources of energy are those which have been in common use for a long time. Firewood and fossil fuels are the two main conventional energy sources.